I'm chasing beams that touch the sky. They dance and shimmer as they fly through open fields and city streets. They guide my heart where joy repeats. The morning breaks and paints the air with golden whispers everywhere. I follow trails of glowing streams. They lead me deep into my dreams. Where the light lands I will go, through the rain and through the glow. It calls my name, it pulls me near.